A string ABCD attached to two fixed points A and D has two equal weights attached to it at B and C. The weights rest with portions AB and CD inclined at an angle of 30 and 60 degrees respectively with the vertical. Find the tensions in the portions AB, BC and CD of the string. The inclination of BC with vertical is 120 degrees. These are two equal weights 500 and 500. They are attached at B and C. We have to find tension in this portion and this portion of the string. And it is given inclination of BC with 120 degrees and inclination of AB with vertical is 30 degrees and inclination of CD with vertical is 60 degrees. Consider this portion joint beam. So this is 500 Newton force and say this portion of string is having tension in it TAB and this portion of string BC is having, say it is having tension TBC. So this angle is 30 degree. So this angle will be also 30 degrees here, vertical angle, this 30 vertical angle. Say it will also be 30 degrees. So this angle will be 150 degrees. This angle will be 180 minus this 30 degrees. So it will be 150 degrees. This total angle will be 150 degrees. And this angle is got by 360 minus 150 minus 150. So 360 minus 150, 150, it is 300. So 360 minus 300 is 60 degrees. Now, say these four strings have tensions like this and say it is TBA and this is TBC. Now, applying Lami's theorem. For applying Lami's theorem, there should be forces, three forces diverging or converging towards and away from a point. In diverging case, forces should be diverging away from a point, and in converging case, forces should come and meet at a point. Here, forces are diverging from a point B. Applying Lami's theorem, TBA divided by sine of the angle between other two forces, sine 60 degrees, equal to TBC by sine of the angle between other two forces, and that is equal to 500 by sine of the angle between other two forces. Applying Lami's theorem, now calculating for TBA, we will get 866.025 newtons, and calculating for TBC, we get TBC as 500 newton. Now consider joint C. This angle given is 60 degrees. This angle will be also 60 degrees. Now, from this angle and this angle of string to the vertical will be also 60 degrees, like this. This angle is 60 degrees and this angle will be also 60 degrees. This total angle will be 120 degrees and this angle will be 120 degrees. This is 120 degrees. This is 120 degrees. applying Lami's theorem at joint C, TCV divided by sine of the angle between other two forces 120 degrees, and TCD divided by sine of the angle between other two forces, it is also 120 degrees. So, and that is equal to T 500 divided by sine of the angle between other two forces. Now, solving for TCB, we get TCB equal to 500, and solving for TCD, this TCD will be also 500. After calculating all tensions in these terms, writing down the tensions in the strings. Tension in CD will be 500 Newton, tension in CB will be 500 Newton, and tension in BA will be 866.025 Newton.